I tried Jupiter Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I decided to test the Jupiter Wallet app, I expected just another Solana-based tool for token swaps. But after 7 days, the shocking truth is that Jupiter isn't just a wallet, it's a powerful ecosystem designed to make Solana's DeFi experience seamless and accessible to everyone. The setup was fast. Within minutes, I connected my wallet and it started trading instantly. What makes Jupiter stand out is its aggregator feature. Instead of routing trades through a single exchange, it automatically finds the best prices across multiple decentralized platforms. That means you get better rates, lower slippage and faster transactions, all without extra effort. Most people don't realize that on Solana, speed and cost can vary between DEX, but Jupiter takes care of that by handling it automatically. During my 7 days, I swapped Sol, a CC, and a few smaller tokens, and the difference in efficiency was clear. Transactions were lightning fast, and fees were often less than a cent. By day 4, I explored its limit orders and Deka tools features that let you set strategic trades directly from your wallet. It's rare to see that level of control in a decentralized app, especially one that runs so smoothly. Another surprising thing, Jupiter's integration with real-time price charts and token info makes it feel more like a trading terminal than a simple wallet. Everything happens in one clean, intuitive interface. Of course, there's room to grow. New users might find the array of options overwhelming at first, and its ecosystem mainly focuses on Solana, so if you're into other chains, you need another wallet. After 7 days, the shocking truth is this: Jupiter Wallet isn't just about swapping tokens. It's about giving users real trading power without the complexity. If you've ever wanted DeFi that feels as easy as using an exchange, Jupiter might just be your new go-to.